Yoo-hoo! Mrs. Sylvia here. So we are looking at Heron's area of a triangle. What in the world is that? Okay, take a look at these triangles. Okay, let's just zoom in on number one. If I asked you to find the area of this triangle, how would you do it? 1/2 base times height? Okay, you got the base is 15. What's the height? You don't know. That would take a lot of work. How about you learned 1/2 BC times the sine of A? Uh-oh, you don't know any of the angles. So we can't use that one either. Uh-oh. Luckily, we have a new formula for you. It looks crazy. It's not so bad once you break it down. So first of all, you need something called the semi-perimeter. It's just half the perimeter, that's all. So that's all this is. So AB plus C, that's just the perimeter, right? You just add up all the sides. Take half of that. That is what we are going to refer to as S, the semi-perimeter, S. So you need to figure out what S is. Okay, so let's go through that for number one. Let's just find out what S is. So I'm going to S equals 1/2 of, and then it doesn't even matter who's A, B, and C. You're just going to add the three of them together. So I'll do 13 plus 15 plus 15. Okay, so what is that? That gets me 21.5. Okay, so S in this case is 21.5. So that's step one. You got to figure out what S is. Then you're going to come over to this formula. Okay, this formula is going to compute the area for you. So you're going to take the square root of the product of S and then S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. A, B, and C, remember, are just the three sides of the triangle. So in number one, they actually don't have A, B, and C. They have P, K, and H. It doesn't matter. Just call one of them A, one of them B, one of them C. Does not matter at all. Just pick sides. Okay, so now I'm going to, and I have S. I already calculated that. And I'm just going to use that formula, and it's going to spit out the area for me. Cool. All right. So A equals big old square root. S is 21.5 times, I need to do S minus A. So 21.5 minus, I said A was 13. And then I'll multiply that by S, so 21.5 again, minus B, which I labeled as 15. And then one more, 21.5 minus C, which is 15. Make this a little longer. Okay, so this is, just throw all that in your calculator. All right, so I want the square root of the whole thing. 21.5 times 21.5 minus 13 times 21.5 minus 15 and another 21.5 minus 15. Close it all up, square root the whole thing. I get 87.9. Since it is an area, it's going to be, looks like we're in feet, so it's feet squared. That's it. Oh my goodness, how cool. So if you have a triangle and you just have the three sides, you can find the area without doing, I mean, yeah, it's annoying work, but it's not, it's not anything too crazy. Just find that semi-perimeter first and then pop it in. Okay, so let's go ahead and do number two. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start off by finding S. So that'll be 1/2 of the perimeter. So 9 plus 16 plus 15. Okay, so let's find out what our magic letter S is. 1/2 times 9 plus 16 plus 15 is 20. Okay, nice easy number. So now I have that S is 20. Sorry, that looked like a negative sign. That's supposed to be an equal sign. Oh gosh, I'm just making it worse. Okay, so S is 20. And if it helps you to label an A, B, and a C, go ahead, just so you don't lose track. All right, now I'm going to use this formula right here to go ahead and find that area. A equals big old square root. S is 20 times 20 minus A, that's just 20 minus 9. You could do some of this in your head if you want. S minus B would be 20 minus 16. And then S minus C, 20 minus 15. Okay, pop all that in your calculator. Now, I don't know why I did that, because I'm just going to throw it in. So let's see, square root of 20 times, that would be 11 times 4 times 5. And I get 66.3. Isn't this neat? Oh my gosh. Love this. And we're in yards. Yards squared. So that's it, okay? You guys try the rest on this sheet, all right? Let me know if you have any questions.